sometimes. 7. Different courses, different languages, same result. About 3 weeks in, things got hard, and they stopped. On the 8th time, something was different. Not the content, not the language, the approach. That person is now a working developer. And they told me the exact thing that changed. Something so simple it almost sounds stupid. They stopped trying to learn everything. They started trying to build one specific thing. Let me explain why most people quit programming. Because it's not what you think. It's not because programming is hard. Everything worth doing is hard. It's not because you're not smart enough. Intelligence is the least important factor in learning to code. People quit programming because of tutorial hell. Tutorial hell is when you watch tutorial after tutorial, follow along, understand it in the moment, close the laptop, and then realize you can't build anything yourself. So you go find another tutorial, then another. You feel like you're learning, but you're actually just consuming content. You're not building real skills. Here's what tutorial hell looks like. You've watched 20+ hours of Python tutorials but can't build a simple program without someone showing you how. You feel like you need to finish the entire course before you can start a project. When you try to build something on your own, your mind goes blank. You keep switching between languages or frameworks hoping to find the right one. Sound familiar? Almost every beginner goes through this. Here's how to escape it. The project first approach. Instead of learning Python and then building something, flip it. Pick something you want to build first. Then learn only what you need to build that specific thing. Want to build a calculator? You need variables, input, output, basic math operations, and functions. That's it. Learn exactly those 4 things and build your calculator. Don't learn anything else until that calculator works. This approach is called just-in-time learning, and it's how professional developers actually learn new things even after years of experience. They don't read documentation end to end. They have a problem. They look up exactly what they need. They solve it. They move on. Every day, for the first 3 months, you must write actual code for at least 20 minutes. Not watch tutorials. Not read articles. Write code. Break it. Fix it. Write more. 20 minutes seems too small to matter. But 20 minutes every day for 90 days is 30 hours of actual practice. That's meaningful. And here's the key. Do it first thing. Before the day gets busy. Before excuses pile up. First 20 minutes of your productive day go to code. 2 hours of coding once a week is worse than 20 minutes every day. Your brain learns through repetition over time. You need daily exposure, even if it's small. The people who make the fastest progress are not the ones who code for 8 hours on weekends. They're the ones who touch code every single day, even for a short time,